Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ghost melon in Melon Playground. First, select any character you want to turn into a ghost. For example, you can pick a standard melon. Next, inject them with the immortality syringe. This crucial step ensures your ghost character remains intact and doesn't get destroyed during the transformation process, allowing for endless ghostly fun and experimentation in your sandbox world. Now, let's give your character that ethereal, floating quality. Select your character completely to open their properties. Find and disable the collision option. This makes them intangible, able to move through anything. Immediately after, disable gravity so they can float without falling. These two adjustments are key to achieving the true ghost effect, letting your melon drift through the air. To enhance your ghost's appearance, consider adding some ethereal details. You can attach a halo above their head and a pair of wings to their back. These items give your ghost a classic, angelic look, making them stand out in your playground. Feel free to explore other accessories and items within the game to create a unique and personalized ghost that perfectly fits your creative vision. For those with newer game versions, you might find additional tools for advanced ghost effects. Some updates include a ghostly stuff item that can temporarily make characters transparent. Alternatively, the chip item allows for precise control over an object's transparency. Connect parts of your character to the chip to adjust their visibility, offering even more creative possibilities for your ghostly creations in Melon Playground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.